If you're planning to participate in a track day, there are several things you should do beforehand to both yourself and your car to ensure you're prepared and ready for the experience. Here's my must-do things to do before a track day. First up, prepare your car. Make sure your car is in good condition and maintenance is all up to date, so you can be confident that the car is going to be up to the task of being driven on a racetrack. This includes checking brakes, tyres, suspension, and all the fluids are topped up, such as the engine oil, coolant, brake fluid, and consider some extra jugs of fuel as well. Next up is to invest in proper safety gear. Purchase or potentially rent proper safety gear, such as a helmet, racing suit, gloves, and shoes. Make sure they fit well and meet the required safety standards for your location. Safety gear is extremely important because you cannot anticipate what might happen at the track, and taking care of yourself needs to be a priority. Your goal at the end of the day is to go home safely. Number 3 is to check the rules and regulations. Make sure you understand the rules and regs of the track day event that you're attending, including any specific requirements for your car, safety gear, and anything you might need to do prior to the event. This will ensure you don't have any hiccups on the day. For example, here in Australia, regulations for track days usually dictate the requirement of a 1 kilogram fire extinguisher inside the cabin of the vehicle. Another option is to attend a driving school. Something you might want to consider is to prepare your skills and your mindset for the intensity of track driving in a safe environment by attending a driving school or track day orientation. You can familiarise yourself with the track, learn about basic track driving techniques before you get out at speed amongst other more experienced drivers. This can also help with some of that anxiety that can come with first-timers at the track. Pack the basic necessities. Bringing along items such as tools, spare parts, water, food, and sunscreen to ensure you have everything you need while at the track. It just makes your day a little more comfortable and helps keep costs down, as opposed to spending money on the day on more expensive fast food or racing around parts stores hunting for a replacement crank sensor on a weekend. It's happened to the best of us. You may also want to consider track insurance. Most road car insurance policies do not cover track events, so it's important to weigh up the option of track insurance to protect yourself and your vehicle. Obviously, this isn't for everyone, but it might make sense for you if, say, this is your first time on the track and you have a more exotic vehicle that could really hurt if you or another driver make a mistake that results in damage to your prized possession. And lastly, remember to relax and have fun. Track days are meant to be a fun and exciting experience. Try to relax and enjoy the experience and avoid chasing faster lap times early in the day when you're still trying to find your feet. Most of all, don't be too hard on yourself if you do make a mistake. The goal should always be to make it home safely and to have fun. If you've got any other suggestions for other track day newbies, please leave a comment below so that others may learn from your experience. Thanks for watching.